the tail command on Linux and how to use it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the tail command on Linux. The tail command is a very useful command for viewing the last few lines of a file. It can be used to monitor log files, check for new updates to files, and more. What is the tail command? The tail command is a command line utility that prints the last few lines of a file. By default, the tail command prints the last 10 lines of a file. However, you can use the N option to specify a different number of lines. For example, the command tail n5file.txt would print the last 5 lines of the file text. How to use the tail command. The tail command is very easy to use. To use it, simply type tail followed by the name of the file you want to view. For example, to view the last 10 lines of the file log, t-t, you would type the following command. Options for the tail command. The tail command has a number of options that you can use to customize its output. Some of the most useful options include N. This option specifies the number of lines to print. F. This option tells the tail command to follow the file and print new lines as they are added. C. This option specifies the number of bytes to print. Q. This option suppresses the header that normally shows the file name. Conclusion. The tail command is a very versatile command that can be used for a variety of purposes. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how to use it. Thanks for watching.